Like, I come from a consulting background, right? And yeah, they say, oh, ChatGPT is going to replace consultants. It's going to help consultants write better decks, maybe, sure, but it's not going to replace like somebody with 20 years of experience who has been in the trenches, who has done like deliveries for multi-billion-dollar programs. It's just there's certain experiences, let's say at the legal level, where these people, they've litigated very complex cases, and maybe it's now easier to litigate these complex cases with AI, but you still need people who are able to do that and who know every nuance, or who failed and tried and failed and tried and failed. I mean, for the next 10 years, that's not going anywhere. Maybe in 10 years, they'll be automated too. But no.
Yeah. Yeah, we joke. Well, we joke internally. Sometimes we're like, we're promoting this whole AI growth strategist concept, and then we're like, well, but in 10 years, do you even need the AI growth strategist? So then what? But that's just not practical. Like you say, at scale, it's not. It's fun right now. It's just fun to think about, or kind of have philosophical conversations. But the truth is, yeah, you just can't replace that expertise. And like you said, like I do it, like I still have that fractional, consultant, I get into that consultant phase. And what happens is I go and I use, chat GDP or any particular tool that I doing that, and I'll put together information and reports and stuff. And really all that's really doing is it's just what I can give somebody to kind of, it gives them a high level. But what I actually execute on, a lot of times I divert from these supposed documents. They're just meant to, because what happens is you have to kind of adjust fire when you're in the field. You're out there. It was a great idea when you're talking about it, but like you said, when it starts scaling, you have to shift.
Doesn't work.